Welcome to today's lecture on the installation of R and RStudio. In this session, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing these essential tools for statistical computing and data analysis. First step is to download R through its website. Here, you can see the latest version of R, that is 4.3.2 for Windows. You just have to click this link and it will be automatically downloaded into the folder you have selected as the download directory. The process is very simple and straightforward. When this exe file will be downloaded, you have just to double-click the file and follow the steps and install it into your computer. This is not a complicated step, so I will show you where I have downloaded and installed it in the computer. Let's see. It is present in C directory in the Program Files folder. There are different versions of R installed in my system. You can also install multiple. However, if you are using RStudio, it should be connected with the library of R, which has all the basic packages installed for your desired analysis. I will tell you later how to connect RStudio and R. We have installed R. Let's go to RStudio now. Just click the download button just like we did before and it will save the exe file in the folder. You can check that file here as well in the startup link. Let's show you how the RStudio looks like. We will see the different sections of this RStudio later in the lectures. Let's see how R looks like after installation. The R is simpler and looks basic. So usually it seems a bit difficult for the users to work on R. RStudio gives a very interesting user interface, making easier to visualize the plots, writing the scripts, looking into the tables, etc., etc. The last thing for this tutorial is to know how to connect the RStudio and R. So in summary, connecting R and RStudio creates a powerful and user-friendly environment for statistical computing and data analysis. It enhances the overall experience of working with R, making it more accessible to a broader audience, including those who may not be comfortable with command line interfaces. When you open RStudio for the first time, it should automatically detect your installed R version. You may see information about the R version in the console. If, for some reason, RStudio is not automatically detecting or connecting to your R installation, you may need to manually configure the RStudio settings to point to the correct R executable. Let me share the most easiest way to check it. In the top menu bar of RStudio, go to Tools and then click Global Options. In the General Settings you can see that R 4.3 is selected as the default. You may change to whichever version you want to select for your analysis. There are many other options, but we will go through each step one by one in this long series of tutorials.